Today, I'll show you how to duplicate a Google Ads campaign. Duplicating a campaign is useful when you want to reuse an existing setup instead of building everything from scratch. You can copy the same structure, ads, ad groups, keywords, targeting, and settings, then edit the copy for a new location, product, offer, or test. First, open Google Ads and log into your account. From the left menu, click Campaigns. Now find the campaign you want to duplicate. Before copying it, review the campaign name, budget, targeting, and status to make sure you are using the correct campaign as your starting point. Select the checkbox next to the campaign. At the top of the campaign table, click Edit. From the drop-down menu, choose Copy. Now click Edit again. This time, choose Paste. Google Ads may ask whether you want to pause the new copied campaign after pasting. For safety, choose the option to paste it as paused, especially if you want to review it before it starts spending money. Now confirm the paste. Google Ads will create a duplicate version of the campaign. After the copy appears in your campaign list, open it and rename it clearly. For example, add the new location, product name, or test version to the campaign name. Next, review the copied campaign settings. Check the budget, locations, languages, bidding strategy, ad schedule, keywords, negative keywords, ads, assets, and final URLs. Update anything that should be different from the original campaign. Once everything looks correct, change the campaign status from paused to enabled when you are ready to run it. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a Google Ads campaign. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.